You work with Sandra, right? Yeah, oh, right. You used to work with him. Oh, did you know? Yeah, I don't. You can have one. Oh, I know.
All right. 14A District Court for County of Washington, State of Michigan is now in session. Although kind of business here, the Honorable Judge J. Simpson presiding.
Maybe seated. And Mr. Cook.
Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people. Your Honor, the people waive any potential conflict between this honorable court and the office of the public defender. While the people do not believe that any such conflict exists, we make this waiver in the ordinance called out.
Thank you, sir. Ms. Payne.
Public Defender Natalie Pate on behalf of the Public Defender's Office. Your Honor, likewise, Your Honor, office does not believe a conflict exists between this honorable court and our office, but if one were to arise, we waive such conflict.
Court for its part does not believe there's conflict either in Michigan court rules or the cases decided thereunder to the extent a conflict does exist given the waivers the court will consent to hear them. Were you able to talk to the individual?
Would you like? No, she is not.
You wanted a breakout. I don't do that. And you tried to ask and like on Ann into giving you a breakout room. Didn't you, Miss Payne?
I did.
I walked in and I felt that there was some conspiracy going on in the building. I felt it from the door as I was coming down the hallway.
I did recommend the conservatory.
So you admit it.
I admit that I brought them into the conspiracy, but no, I was very straightforward with conspiracy.
So you're just not very good at it.
Correct.
Right. Okay. All right. Did you want a breakout room to speak to Mr. Wilson?
Wilson, that would be amazing.
And no. No. Mr. Wilson?
Yes, sir.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to pass your matter. I was going to call your matter first. I'm going to pass your matter and let your public defender go out and have a breakout room with you and talk to you before we call your case. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so very much, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
I'm keeping track, you know.
That is fair.
Clark.
Good afternoon, Your Honor, Raymond Cook.
You know, then give me sight.
I'm innocent, Judge. Joe Simon on behalf of Mr. Clark. State your name, Michael.
My name is Michael J. Clark II, Your Honor.
Your Honor, Mr. Cook and, pardon?
Never mind.
No,
Okay, good.
Mr. Cook and Ms. Zenda are working on getting me some supplemental discovery. They've made requests to the police agency for some videos, and I think that if we adjourn the pretrial just one more time to the 20th, we should have it by then.
He picked a date. Set the date. Did you give it to him beforehand? Headed to April 20th, 2026, 1 p.m. Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You're right outside.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, sir. Court does call the case, People versus Carmen Folks.
Good afternoon, Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
Did you have something else, Mr. Thurman? Or no?
No, Your Honor. We'll continue tomorrow morning. Oh, I know that one will be good.
Oh, we're switching? Okay. Oh, we're switching.
I think it'll be over by half.
Oh.
Good morning.
I'm a big
Yeah.
10 guy, right? Just saying. Go ahead.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Robin McCoy, P63057 on behalf of Ms. Carmen Folks, who stands to my right.
Your name, ma'am?
Carmen Renee Folks.
Thank you. All right. What are we doing?
We filed a motion to withdraw. There's been a breakdown, and so it signed the consent to release me. So,
Is that all correct, ma'am?
yes.
What are you going to do regarding counsel in this case?
I would request a public defender.
So I don't think the PD wasn't on this case.
I don't think so, because we were at the arraignment,
Got it.
so we were there.
All right. I will sign the order to withdraw. Ms. Folks, what I'm going to ask you to do is wait just a moment till Ms. Haight comes back so that they can make sure that they've got all your information and everything.
So,
And I'll call your case back up at there.
okay.
Okay? All right. Thank you, Ms. McCoy.
Okay, it's good seeing you, Judge, and I did send you some information about some events that are coming up. So,
Yes, you did. And I, Marco Arizanowski.
Teresa Claire on behalf of probation, Your Honor, Mr. Arizanowski is court for a review hearing. He is compliant with the terms ordered by his court, and did waive his appearance. Probation recommending that conditions of probation continue with a final review hearing being set May 18, 2026 at 1.
Hearing no objection, so ordered. Just another, okay. I'll do that and then I'll go back to the other two. This one. Court does call the case People versus Anatoly Zabriskie. Is another.
And Assistant Public Defender Natalie Tate for Mr. Zubritsky, whose appearance has been waived.
Teresa Claire on behalf of probation, Your Honor, Mr. Zubritsky is going before the court for a review hearing via compliance with all terms ordered by the court. Probation recommends that all conditions continue with the next review hearing being 29, 2026 at 1.
No objection, so ordered. All right, I'm gonna call this one before court recalls the case People versus Cameron Folks. Folks, come on up. State your name again, please.
Carmen Renee Folks.
All right. Ms. Pate, while you were out, talking with Mr. Wilson, the counsel, her previous counsel, Ms. McCoy, withdrew from this case. And so therefore, and Ms. Folks requested an attorney, and so this becomes a public case.
Absolutely. Thank you, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Natalie Tate with and on behalf of Ms. Folks. Your Honor, I would request an adjourned pre-trial date so that we can receive and review discovery from the prosecutor's office.
In a public defender case, I will adjourn this matter then to April 20th, 2026, 1 p.m. Okay, Ms. Folks? You're all set. Thank
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You need to call you?
Court does recall the case People versus Kyle Wilson.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Tate with and on behalf of Mr. Wilson. Mr. Wilson, can you please state your name for the court?
Kyle Wilson.
Teresa Claire on behalf of probation, Your Honor, Mr. Wilson is before the court for a review hearing. Since Mr. Wilson has been sentenced, he has not done anything with the terms ordered by this court. He was remanded into custody in Oakland County on a felony BOP, which was out there prior to him being sentenced here. He was sentenced to 244 days in that matter. He now has an estimated release date of June 24th of 2026. At this time, given the length of time that he's been in jail, probation's asking that the court revoke the probation that was ordered in this case and sentence Mr. Wilson to 365 days in jail with credit for 121 days to date and to serve surveillance.
Thank you, Your Honor. I was able to speak with Mr. Wilson regarding this, and I was able to get information with him and confirm an ex-jail. Although he was sentenced on this case back in December 22nd, he did have an out-of-county hold, so he wasn't physically released from the jail until January 11th. So that being said, we do acknowledge he was out of custody and on probation from January 11th to at least February 25th, in which he did not complete that substance abuse assessment or the domestic violence program. Mr. Wilson does to me, I do not have documentation of this to provide, but he does state to me that he did enroll in the DV program and pay a $50 fee. However, he was not able to attend any classes due to him being remanded on the 25th of February to the Oakland County Jail. Your Honor, he's respectfully requesting if the court would consider sentencing him in this matter, not to the full year in jail, but if you would consider sentencing him to 200 days jail, credit for 121 days served. He's hopeful that at the end of June, which is his current estimated release date from the Oakland County Jail, he hopes he could be released from both matters around that time and be able to move on with his life and his matters. And he's deeply apologetic to the court and hopes to just put these matters behind him.
Mr. Wilson, anything you want to say?
While being incarcerated, Your Honor, I have completed classes and courses. I have certificates completing a domestic awareness course on the tablet, cognitive awareness course on the tablet, and also a substance abuse and anger management. I have certificates to prove and provide if necessary. I enrolled in the domestic abuse class, but I couldn't actually attend because I've been incarcerated, but I have been attending classes on the tablet to try to work out or help me with that abuse class, but not sure if that actually helped. I do have certificates for the completion of those that I've been doing in here though.
All right, okay, thank you, sir. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to revoke probation. I'm going to follow the recommendation of probation. I'm going to revoke probation. I'm going to sentence him to 365 days in jail, credit 121 served. He's served a balance. I will state this, and that is that with the things that he's done, if he keeps up doing those kinds of things, then certainly I'll take a look at the other part of the sentence that extends beyond the Oakland County sentence.
Absolutely, Your Honor. Thank you.
Right? Okay. Thank you, Mr. Wilson. Good luck to you.